How to set animated emoji as a profile photo on Telegram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Telegram application here, and it will lead you to your chat section. Basically all the conversation that you have, the chats. So the next thing that you want to do is to go to your, of course, your profile photo. And to do that is on the bottom part, you'll see settings there. Tap on settings, and here it will lead you here. On the bottom part, in the middle part, under your name and your number, you will see set profile photo. Just tap on that. And then here, you will see open gallery, set emoji, search web, and cancel. Tap on set emoji here. You have to choose your animated emoji as your profile photo. So let's say this Pepe frog. You can actually change your background for that. For me, I'd rather have this, and then tap on set as profile photo. And here, let's just wait for it. As you can see, we have now successfully set an animated emoji as our profile photo, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.